So mine top rubber had busted. So of course you get all your extra rubber out. They come like this, okay? So you feed your tip in through the hole, and then if you see here, this little hole there, take some tweezers, feed that rubber tip out, and grab it with your fingers, okay? And you're going to be pulling it in. And as you pull it in, use not sharp pointy tweezers, but use something just to make sure that you get your flange inside, and it pops. Now you're going to have that excess sticking out. As you pull, you'll pull exactly to where you'll see this line right here. Cut the excess off after it's installed. Okay, cut that, pull, keep pulling, use clips, snip, and that will sit back in there. And then you just make sure you're on your gimbal frame piece there. Okay, so feed it in the hole, grab it with the tweezers through that little opening right there. Okay, and then when you grab that there, pull it out, feed your flange in, and then cut at that line, and you'll be done.